Hey there, welcome to Tim Talks Cooking. I'm Tim, and today I'll be making one of my favorite summer salads, the classic Caprese salad. Let's get started.
Here's what you'll need. First of all, some fresh mozzarella. You'll probably want about 4 or 5 ounces per serving. Next, some nice ripe tomatoes. Maybe go to a farmer's market or something if you don't grow your own tomatoes. Get the most beautiful ones you can find. You'll also want some fresh basil. This is from my garden, but if you don't have that, you might want to substitute it with some homemade basil pesto. I'll put a link on the screen to a great recipe from my friend Anati. To prepare the tomato, all we need to do is to take out its core, and I'm going to do that easily here with a paring knife. I'm just going to cut around it like this. And I'm also going to cut off the blossom end of the tomato right there, just like that, a thin slice. And next, I'm going to cut the tomato into 1/4 to 1/2 inch slices, just like this. And next, I'm going to arrange them on a plate alternately with slices of the fresh mozzarella. We're going to add in a leaf of basil and just arrange them. You might notice these are the colors of the Italian flag. Now we're going to just continue on here. Another slice of tomato, another slice of mozzarella, another basil leaf. And I'm going to try to arrange these as attractively as possible. Another slice of tomato, another slice of mozzarella, and here a final leaf of basil. You can see I've arranged them in a circle. You of course can arrange them any way you like. Next I'm going to add here just a little garnish. There, isn't that cute? And next we're going to dress the salad. I'm going to use some extra virgin olive oil to start off with. Use one that you like. Next I'm going to use some freshly ground black pepper and of course a nice pinch of kosher salt. And we're ready to serve.
Well, alright, let's give it a try. Now in each bite, you want to try to get a little bit of each of the ingredients. Little tomato, little mozzarella, little basil. Mmm, so good. You know, that fresh mozzarella, it just melts in your mouth. And of course you've got those bright flavors of the basil, which is so aromatic, the tomato, which it's a summer tomato, so it actually tastes like something for once. Listen, thanks for joining us here today at Tim Talks Cooking. I really hope you'll try this recipe. I also hope that you will like, share, comment, and especially subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel grow, and it helps you find my videos, especially if you click on that notifications bell. We'll catch you next time at Tim Talks Cooking.